In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Pinterest to find and save images that inspire you or enhance your projects. Whether you're planning a new home decor project, looking for culinary inspiration, or simply seeking some creative ideas, Pinterest is an incredible resource. Today, I'll guide you through the simple process of browsing and saving images, making sure that by the end of this video, you'll have mastered it with ease. Let's dive in. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Pinterest. If you already have an account, log in. If not, you might want to quickly set one up to enhance your experience. Although for today's guide, a full account setup isn't strictly necessary. Once you're in, you'll notice the homepage is alive with a vibrant array of images. These are called pins, and each one represents a piece of content or inspiration shared by someone in the Pinterest community. Now, as you explore the site, you'll want to browse for an image that catches your eye. Think of something specific, like minimalist home offices, or take a broader approach with a term like travel destinations. Use the search bar at the top of the page to refine your search. It's amazing how specific you can get with your searches, which is one of the great perks of using Pinterest over other platforms. As you scroll, take your time to explore and enjoy the variety of content. Once you spot an image that intrigues or inspires you, click on it to open up a larger view. This not only gives you a closer look at the image, but also provides additional information, such as a brief description and sometimes a link to a website for more context or steps. It's an excellent feature because it lets you dive deeper into the content behind the image, should you choose. To save this image to your computer for future reference or to include it in your projects, right-click on the image. A small menu will pop up. From here, select Save Image As. You'll be prompted to choose a location on your computer to save the image. This could be a folder specifically for inspiration, a project folder, or anywhere else you find convenient. Once you've decided on the location, simply click Save, and there you have it. You've successfully navigated Pinterest, found and saved an image that can now contribute to your creative process. The beauty of Pinterest lies in its endless canvas of inspiration, so don't hesitate to return and browse as often as you like. And remember, every journey on Pinterest starts the same way, with the simple act of searching and saving. Thank you so much for joining me today. Happy pinning!